Welcome to Western civilization. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe, because today we'll uncover how the Industrial Revolution didn't just transform machines, cities, and economies. It also reshaped something far older, something that had sustained life for thousands of years, the humble water well. For most of human history, water wells were symbols of survival and community. Families and neighbors gathered around them every morning, pulling up buckets with ropes and wooden pulleys. Every drop of water came through human strength and effort. These wells defined villages, shaped settlements, and decided where civilizations could thrive. But then came the Industrial Revolution, and with it, a new force that redefined how humans interacted with the earth itself. The invention of the steam engine in the 18th century changed everything. For the first time, people had machines powerful enough to go deeper than human hands ever could. Wells that once reached only shallow layers of groundwater could now be drilled hundreds of feet down. The result? A reliable and constant water supply, even in places where droughts and dry seasons used to bring hardship. Steam-powered pumps began appearing across Britain, Europe, and later America, pulling water for households, industries, and growing cities. Wells were no longer just holes in the ground. They became technological systems, powered by innovation. With deeper wells came new materials and designs. Stone and wood linings gave way to iron and steel, preventing collapses and allowing wells to last for decades. Engineers experimented with cylindrical casings, mechanical lifting systems, and rotary drilling, all of which laid the foundation for the modern bore well. The Industrial Revolution didn't only make wells deeper, it made them widespread. As factories expanded and towns grew, thousands of new wells were dug to sustain entire communities. Water was no longer a scarce local resource, it became part of the infrastructure of civilization. Villages turned into towns, and towns into cities, all connected by the steady rhythm of mechanical pumps drawing life from beneath the ground. It also changed how people thought about water. Before, it was something gathered and shared. After industrialization, it became something managed, engineered, and supplied. The well, once a communal center, evolved into a symbol of progress, a mark of human control over nature. By the late 19th century, wells powered by machines were operating on every continent. They supported agriculture, powered industries, and provided water to fast-growing populations. What began as a simple hole dug by hand had become a masterpiece of engineering, a quiet revolution beneath the surface. And that's the true story of how the Industrial Revolution changed wells forever. It wasn't just about machines or metal. It was about the human desire to dig deeper, to reach further, and to master the unseen forces that sustain life. So, the next time you see an old well, remember, it once marked the boundary between human effort and nature's gift. The Industrial Revolution broke that boundary and turned water itself into a triumph of human ingenuity. Don't forget to subscribe for more stories about how the Western world's greatest revolutions, from philosophy to engineering, reshaped the way we live today.